Hello everyone, today we will learn lesson 8. The title of our lesson is 我去商店. I am going to the store. Now look at the key sentences. Number 1. 你姐姐在家吗? Once more. 你姐姐在家吗? 你姐姐 means your sister, your big sister. 在 here it means at. 家 means home. Ma at the last here ma it is a question particle. So it means is your big sister at home? 你姐姐在家吗? If she is at home, you can say 我姐姐在家. 我姐姐在家. If she is not at home, you can say 我姐姐不在家. 我姐姐不在家. 懂了吗? Now look at key sentence number 2. 我去商店. 我去商店. So this is the title of our lesson. 我去商店. That means I am going to the store. Let's learn. So look at the picture. Number first. 学校. 学校. School. Second picture. 商店. 商店. That means store. Look at the vocabulary. Number 1. 在. 在. That means in or at. 在商店. Or you can also say 在学校. Number 2. 谢谢. To thank or thanks. 谢谢你们. Number 3. 去. 去. So this is a verb. That means to go. 去学校. Or you can say 去商店. Another. 你们. 你们. So that means you, but it is in plural form. 你们去吗? 你们去吗? Are you going? That means in plural form. You is in plural form. We have learned 你 means you. If you add man at the last here, just like given here, 你们, so it will become plural, you. Another word, 我们. 我们. That means we. 我们在家. 我们在家. That means we are at home. Here 我 means 我 only means I or me. If we add man at the last, so it will become plural. That will be we. Last word, 哪儿. Third one, 哪儿. 哪儿. That means where. 去哪儿. Where to go. Once more, 在. 在. 谢谢. 谢谢. 去. 去. 你们. 你们. 我们. 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 哪儿. 哪儿. Let's learn. Look at first conversation. First picture conversation. 你姐姐在家吗? Once more. 你姐姐在家吗? So we already learned this in key sentence first. Is your big sister at home? Now a boy is saying 不在. 不在. That means no, she is not at home. And he is saying 她在学校. 她在学校. That means she is at 学校 here means school. Now God is saying 谢谢，再见。Boy saying 再见. Look at second picture. Now Mama is saying 我去商店，你们去吗？ Once again, 我去商店，你们去吗？ That means I am going to shop. 你们去吗? That means are you going? Now her husband and her son, they are saying together 不去，不去. No, we are not going. 我们在家，我们在家. We will be at home. Now her daughter, look at here. Her daughter is saying 妈妈，我去，妈妈，我去. That means mother, I will go. I am going. 懂了吗? Understood? Once again. 我去商店，你们去吗? They are saying 不去，我们在家. Now small girl is saying 妈妈，我去. Now let's match. Number 1. 你姐姐在家吗？你姐姐在家吗？ That means is your big sister at home? Number A. 我不去学校. That means I am not going to school. 她不在. That means she is not at. 我去商店. That means I am going to. 商店 means shop. So number A will match with number 1 will match with number B. 你姐姐在家吗？她不在。Number 2. 你去哪儿？你去哪儿？ That means where are you going? It will match with C. 我去商店。我去商店。That means I am going to shop. Number 3. 你去学校吗？你去学校吗？ That means are you going to school? 我不去学校. That means I am not going to school. So it will match with A. Let's read and point. So look at here, read the paragraph and point to the corresponding body parts of yourself or on the picture. The title of our paragraph is 鼻子在这儿，鼻子在这儿。鼻子 means nose. 在这儿 means is here. This one. 鼻子在这儿 here. 鼻子在这儿。耳朵 here means ear. 耳朵在这儿 That means ear is here. 眼睛 means eyes. 对，眼睛 means eyes. 眼睛在这儿 That means eyes are here. 头发 means hair. 头发在这儿 That means hair is here. 小手 here means small. 手 means hand. 小手在这儿 That means small hand is here. Now point to the corresponding body parts of yourself and read the paragraph. Look at mini story. 你们去哪儿? The title is 你们去哪儿? That means where are you going? Look at first picture. Now they are having a competition. 马鹿公鸡乌龟 they are having a competition. And 狗 Mao and Xiong Mao, they are cheering up their friends by saying 加油, 加油. So here 加油 means come on, you can do it. So it's like giving a motivation. But unfortunately, Wu Kuei, tortoise, he fell down. So look at second picture. Now Xiong Mao, panda, is saying 医院到了, 医院到了. 医院 here means hospital. 到了 means we have arrived. So 医院到了, that means we arrived at hospital. Now Wu Kuei, tortoise, is saying 谢谢你们, 谢谢你们. 谢谢 here means thanks. Here 你们 it means 你们 means you, but it is in plural form. So it includes Xiong Mao, Mao and Kou. That means 谢谢你们. That means thank you all of you. Look at third picture. Now Tu Zhe and Xiong, they are treating Wu Kuei. Now Wu Kuei is asking to them, 你们去哪儿? 你们去哪儿? That means where are you going? Now Mao is saying 我去学校. 我去学校. Here 学校 here means school. 对, that means I am going to school. 我去学校. What about Xiong Mao? He is saying 我去商店. 我去商店. 商店 here means shop. 对, that means I am going to shop. What about Kou? Kou is saying 我回家. 我回家. Here 回, that means to return back. So that means, and after that 家 here means home. So Kou is saying I am returning back to home. Once more, 你们去哪儿? 我去学校. 我去商店. 我回家.